Hello everyone, let's go to the 137th example. Make a function that takes a number n and returns the sum of the digits from the factorial of n. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, I am including the library stdio.h, which allows us to print the messages on the screen. Here I am adding a comment of our function that will return an integer variable, and every time I call the sum of the factorial, sum fact, will be the reference of our function, and this int n here, just to determine the seed of our function. In the function main, we will set two variables, the printf, two variables, n and answer. The printf is asking to you to enter an integer, and this scanf will store the integer that you type in your keyboard on the computer memory. The answer will be equal to the sum fact of with the seed n, and then the sum of the digits from the factorial of %d is %d. So let's go to the sum of the factorial to see what is happening here. Here I am creating two int variables for the sum and for the I, and the long int factorial value. This for is just to calculate the factorial. I is equal to 1, I has to be lower or equal to n, and every time this for runs, the value of I will be increased by 1. So the factorial will be to the factorial times I, and every time this for runs, the factorial will be equal to the factorial times the current value. And while the factorial is bigger than 0, the sum plus equal to the factorial %10. So for example, the factorial is 121. The remainder of the division of 121 by 10 is 1. Yes, it is 1. So the sum will be equal to 1 in the first time. Here we will decrease the value. So the value is 121 and the sum will be equal to 1. Here we are decreasing the value of the factorial with the remainder of the division by 10. So the value will be equal to 120. And then the factorial will be the factorial divided by 10. So the value will be equal to 12. And this is how I extract the value, the last value, and then reduce for the just two others. So let's go to the terminal and see if this program is running. And just that, I return the sum. Let's go to the program and see what is happening here. Enter an integer, 3. So the sum of the digits from the factorial of 3 is 6, because the factorial of 3 is 3 times 2 times 1, and then the factorial of 3 is 6, and then the number is 6. Let's put another value, 4. So the sum of the digits from the factorial of 4 is 6. Why? Because the factorial of 4 is 24. And 24, the sum of the digits of 24 is equal to 6. So, thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.